لو احنا الدم تاخندا واستولوا الأغلينا ندا أين أيلا هيسئتم.
The Messenger of Allah, may peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, Allah the Almighty is good and accepts only that which is good. And verily Allah has commanded the believers to do that which He has commanded the messengers. So the Almighty has said, O you messengers! Eat of the all kinds of halal, legal, foods, and perform righteous deeds. And the Almighty has said, O you who believe! Eat of the lawful things that we have provided you. Then He, may peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, mentioned the case of a man who, having journeyed far, is disheveled and dusty, and who spreads out his hands to the sky saying, O Lord! O Lord! While his food is haram, unlawful, his drink is haram, his clothing is haram, and he has been nourished with haram, so how can his supplication be answered?
مستكيشة كنتم